Do you know, I had the weirdest dream. I dreamt that I spent last night in a prison cell.
It seems that I did.
Ноги вместе, руки за спину, прямо стоять.
This is Karosta, a notoriously strict prison used by every brutal regime from the Nazis to the KGB. It closed to inmates in 1997, but has since reopened its doors to, well, mugs like him.
Да что это вообще?
And me.
Where once prisoners would have paid anything to get out of prison, there's a peculiar morbid breed of tourist now who pays good money to get in. It costs 17 euros a night. It's a bit pricey, and there's no Wi-Fi, there's no ensuite, there's no continental breakfast. But you do get shouted at by Soviet guards.
Руки где тебе? Руки где? За спину руки. Вот так. Шагай, шагай. Шагай, шагай, шагай. Во!
Apparently no one ever escaped from Karosta. But as far as I'm concerned, I've served my time.